Dialogue 1.
What are you doing?
I'm reading.
Are you reading a comedy?
No, I'm not.
Are you reading a romance?
No, I'm not.
Are you reading an adventure?
No, I'm not.
Are you reading a tragedy?
No, I'm not.
Are you reading a science fiction story?
No, I'm not.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a cookbook. Past tense regular. I walked home. You cleaned the store. We played at the park. We talked at the coffee shop. They jumped into the river. She studied at school. He cooked at the restaurant.
What did you do yesterday?
I walked home.
What did you do yesterday?
I cleaned the store.
What did he do yesterday?
He cooked at the restaurant.
What did she do yesterday?
She studied at school.
What did you do yesterday?
We played at the park.
What did you do yesterday?